Seattle's not getting this. Oh, nope, they're good. You do you, Sterling. Actually, that's a state college. You see the problem with the signal right now, it's really shitty.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sunderland, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wakefield around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Little Britain, Airville, Susquehanna Trail, Peach Bottom, and Rawlinsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A statement from the National Weather Service.
Hot air waiting for